Okay, now I'm going to draw a portrait using exactly the same step by step. Start from the outside, go into inside. I'm not going to do a very detailed measuring. If you master this step-by-step process, you can draw anything, even a portrait. Okay, now I'm going to take a look over here. The first thing what you're going to do, right? You're going to find out where is going to be the face over here, right? Like that, the hair coming down on this side, on both sides. Here you go, like that, and the face very much right here. I'm going to include some of the neck over here, the shadow over here, and then on the shoulder, okay, on this side. Okay, so making sure this placement is you're happy with. If you're not happy with this placement, and when you get a little bit further, and you're not going to be happy with the end of this drawing. So okay, after you're happy with this, I'm going to go further. I'm going to do the proportion, divide it, and look at the whole thing over here. I think her eye is right in the middle. So I'm going to lock it. This is her eye, right in the middle over here, and the eyebrows, and right over here, right, and the nose coming down. That is from the eyebrows to the chin, and the nose almost in the middle, but the nose is just a little bit lower than the middle point, and the tip of the chin right over here. And you can also measure the width, okay? So I'm going to do this as a very quick sketch, like that. And then the mouth is, you can see the mouth is actually 3 parts. Almost like from the bottom of the nose to the chin. You can see the upper lip, lower lip together and taking 1/3 of this space. Can you see that? The 1/3 of this space right over here. You can see that the lip over here. Make a little bit softer over here, and the corner over here coming up a little bit more like that. Okay, and the eye, you can look up the eye look up a little bit. Okay, just as good, right in here. So you just get a little bit from bigger and go a little bit smaller, and the eye still over here. Later on in this semester, I'm going to teach you how to draw a person by getting the correct proportion. And today I just want to give you a rough idea of, actually it's a simple process from based on the really big rough composition start with, and that's very important, and then you can go a little bit smaller and smaller in detail, and you can finish the whole drawing. So I'm going to spend a few more minutes, and you can make this a very fun-tuned drawing. Right? I'm going to have the necklace over here, like that, and coming up, and like that. And then from here, it's just going to do a little bit more detail, a little bit drawing, but you already find the rough location of everything. Now I'm going to take a look at the chin right in the middle over here, and take a look at the nose. There's the shadow side over here. That's making the impression of how tall the nose, and you see the nostril, the shadow on over here on this side, and a little bit like that. And now I'm going to the eyebrows a little bit more away from the eye. So now I'm going to doing more and more of the adjustment, and that, and then the hair coming down over here, and see a little ear right on this side. Okay, and then the shoulder, and like that. There you go, like that on this side. There's the cloth over here on the shoulder. Now coming up, start there doing a little curve, and the shoulder ended here, like that, and the neck on this side, and the back of the neck, the shoulder coming up over here. And I'm going to just get the shadow on this side, and take a look at that left side over here. The chin can come in a little bit more. So when I have the time, I will also going to do inch by inch of drawing, and we'll make it look very realistic. I'm gonna come and look at over here, and then looking inside the eye. Now go a little bit more detail, and there's a little bit darker, and the iris in here. And look at the eyelid. The eye is so big. Okay, right there. Okay, that's finished one eye. So I'm gonna draw the other eye, the eyelid over here. A little bit rounded. Coming over here. Okay, that's there. A little bit darker over here. And look at the corner of the eye. That's perfect. And like that. A little bit shadow over here. Like that. If you would like to learn drawing and painting portrait, come to Patreon. We will learn together.